Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the laziest way. Okay, if you want to make money but feel lazy, this is the laziest way to make money online as a complete beginner. Okay, so without any time wasting, let's dive right into today's video. So to get started with the strategy, the first thing that you need is a digital product to sell online, of course. Now you can either go out there and create your own digital product yourself from scratch, which is probably going to take you a ton of time. It may even take you months. Like I've written books on Amazon, guys, and every single book took me at least 6 months as a minimum. If you are out here thinking about selling digital products, but you don't have the time to write the book, or you find the whole entire process overwhelming, then you really want to head over to Digital World Flippers right now. So Digital World Flippers is an amazing platform where you can actually purchase done for you PLR and MRR digital products, guys. So what does this mean? These products are actually products that have already been created for you. So these are templates, planners, ebooks, and even courses that you can sell as your own. Okay, you can rebrand some of those products as well, make changes to the content if you wish. Okay, and then resell that product at your own prices as you please. Okay, this is insane, guys. It's literally like having a ghostwriter create your books for you, ready for you to literally go out there and sell those ebooks, sell those courses, sell those digital products, charge your own prices, and start generating income over and over again. So you can think of Digital World Flippers as your supplier of digital products, okay? This is where you're able to buy done for you digital products, guys, that you can literally brand as your own, charge your own prices, and generate income forever. Okay, so let's just take a look at some of the products here. So let me go to the ebooks. Let's say you wanted to sell an ebook. You can literally just go to the ebook section, guys. You can see right here there's a ton of bundled ebooks that you can get started with, or you can go ahead and just buy the single ebooks if you wanted to as well. So these are individual ebooks, guys, that you can purchase for less than $20, guys. So let's say if you were in the anxiety niche, for example, trying to help people get rid of anxiety, this is an ebook that has already been created for you. And this ebook comes with master resale rights. So this means you can buy this ebook for a one-time fee of $15, guys. $15, guys, is going to be your investment to start this business. Okay, and then once you buy that ebook, you can resell that ebook, guys. Okay, you can resell that ebook for $27 to your customers, or you can even resell it for $15 if you wanted to. Either way, you're only paying a one-time fee of $15 to get that book ready to go. And you don't have to be buying this book over and over and over again, because once you buy this book, you have lifetime rights to resell these books as your own, guys. You can resell these books. You can sell as many copies as you wish. The books have already been written for you. It's very in-depth. And as you can see, these books, guys, also come not only with the book alone, but you also gain access to the members area, where you have access to training videos and courses to help you market your book, guys. Because so many people are out here creating videos around how to sell digital products, how to make money with digital products, but no one is telling you how to actually go out there and market those books so you can make money, right? So with this platform, guys, you gain access to a members area that actually teaches you how to go out there and sell those ebooks. Okay, not only that, you also have access to the private Facebook community where you'll be able to connect with other members. There's monthly Q&A sessions, guys. So there's all the support that comes with purchasing these digital products, guys. So for $15, think about all the support that you're getting at the back end. And these are strategies that will help you not only with selling your digital products, but also other businesses that you are running out there in the future. You can see everything that you can do with the ebooks as well. Okay, so let's say I wanted to sell this anxiety ebook, for example. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and purchase this ebook, and then it's going to give me access to the raw file. So I'm going to get a PDF file. I'm going to get the covers and, other marketing material that actually comes with that ebook as well. Okay, so once you get your digital product, what you want to do, guys, is you want to go on and actually list that product for sale. Okay. Now, a great place to list your products for sale is none other than Stan Store. This is a great platform, guys, that you can literally sell your digital products. Now, there's quite a few other platforms that you can use, but in this training, I'm going to be talking all about Stan Store. So again, you can go on and sign up for your Stan Store account, guys. I think they have a free trial, and then after that, it's like $29 a month. And that's not bad, guys, to host your digital products. And like I always say, actually recommend that you guys sell multiple digital products, not just stick to one digital product. Okay. So you can see right here, Stand Store actually allows you to list, different, it's kind of like shoppable links that you're able to list on your Stand Store account. And that actually allows people to go on and actually hit buy now to purchase your products instantly. If you guys, use social media a lot, I'm sure you've seen a lot of creators using the Stand Store app right now because it's the easiest way, honestly, to sell their digital products. Okay. And so there's other platforms you can use to register, Gumroad, Beacons.ai, Shopify. These are all platforms that you can also use to sell your digital products. Okay. And once you create your Stand Store account, you're going to get a link, which is going to basically take people to your Stand Store account. So once you have your Stand Store account ready to go, the next thing you want to do, of course, is you want to go ahead and start promoting your digital products. And again, if you guys purchase your digital products on, digital web flippers, you're going to gain access to marketing tools behind the scenes that actually teach you how to go on and actually promote and sell those products. So this $15 investment is honestly a steal. Okay. One great way to promote your digital products, guys, is to use Pinterest. So many people talk about Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and all these other social media platforms. Pinterest is one of the most powerful social media platforms. In fact, I call Pinterest a search engine because Pinterest is kind of like a bit like Google. People come on Pinterest and they're searching for information around what you currently have to offer. So you want to make sure that you're uploading pins that are relevant to the products that you're trying to create. So in this case, for example, we are trying to sell an anxiety ebook, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go here and I'm going to type in anxiety, right? And then when you type in anxiety and you do a space, you can see that it's bringing up different people's accounts around anxiety. So let me just go here and see her account. Okay. You can see she's got, I would say, it looks like a well-performing account on, Pinterest. So I'm going to look at her paints. I'm going to see the type of content that she's currently creating right now. Things socially smart people never do, conversations mistake. So you can see she's got a really good aesthetic here. It's very consistent, and it's a great place to get some ideas in terms of what type of content you could create on your Pinterest account that is related to anxiety as well. Okay. So you can just go again, check other accounts, get some content ideas, guys, of what you could potentially be creating your content around anxiety. So if I just go over here, I can actually see it's got other kind of quotes and things of that nature that you could easily repurpose, guys, and post it on your own Pinterest account and use that to start growing your account. And make sure that you're also engaging within the platform because that's also going to get other people back to your account. And Pinterest is going to reward you for basically using the platform to engage. And then it's going to also then share your content to more people. It is a social networking platform for a reason. Okay. So you can use this, guys, to get some inspiration, get some ideas in terms of what you could potentially be creating content around. And then when you post your pins, guys, let's just go in here. When you post your pins, you can see you're going to be able to put the link to your products, your digital products. So that's going to be your Stand Store, your Beacons.ai, whatever platform you're using to sell your ebooks right now. That's what you're going to be doing, guys. You're going to be putting that link there and then, creating some content with great searchable keywords that people are searching for around that niche, okay, or whatever product you're trying to sell. So you're not just going to be out here uploading your ebook for people to click and buy the book. You are going to be sharing valuable content to attract people to that ebook. So if someone is looking for a way to, calm themselves at night because of anxious, then there's a high chance that they'll be interested in purchasing your product. So you upload valuable content, content that actually motivates and gets someone's attention to your account. And then in the link here, you can have the link to your store to take them straight away there to go purchase that product. Okay. And this is how you're able to make money, guys, selling these digital products, creating income on the internet. And you only have to create the pins one time. Okay. So you have a digital product that has already been created for you. Now you have pins that you can literally create. You can even shadow your pins so you're not posting the pins every single day, guys. And that's a great way for you to go out there and start generating some income on the internet. Okay.